Mr. Excel podcast is sponsored by Easy Excel. Excel Charts Chapter 12, Screen Clipping. Hey, welcome back to the Mr. Excel netcast. I'm Bill John. One of the cool features that Microsoft added to Office 2010 is called the Screen Clipping tool. So if we want to insert a screenshot from another application, it will show us all the available windows. But I have to tell you, I don't like these. What I really like is screen clipping. Let me show you the best way to do this. What you want to do is you want to switch to the application that has the picture that you want to grab. So I want to grab this book cover here. All right, so I'm here in Internet Explorer. I'm now going to switch directly back to Excel and then go to the screen clipping and use the screen clipping option at the bottom, this menu item. And what it does is it switches me back to the item that I was just at. So I was just at this Internet Explorer. You see it briefly, and then it grays the whole thing out. And then when it's grayed out, I can take these crosshairs and drag to grab the image that I want. I click OK, we go back to Excel, and that portion of the screen is now inserted into Excel. So very cool. If you want to grab data from another Word document, Internet Explorer, OneNote, whatever it is, you can use that new screen clipping. The one thing that frustrates me just a tiny bit is I can't grab data from another Excel worksheet. I can't do that unless I have a second instance of Excel open. Let's just talk about that. I guess the best way to do it, let's just put some data in here. So do equal rand, and maybe apply a little bit of formatting. Okay, so if I want to copy that data as a picture, what I can do is choose the data, Control-C to copy, and then come back to where I want the picture to be, and under Paste Special, there's now this paste as a linked picture or as a static picture. In this case, I probably want a static picture. So if you need to do a screen clipping from somewhere in Excel, we can just do copy and paste as a picture, and you can achieve that. So there's a couple of different ways to get a screenshot into Excel. Now, just a quick word here. If you're doing a lot of screenshots, I want to give a plug to my friends out at TechSmith, the people that make Snagit. As I'm doing Excel books, I'm always using Snagit all the time to do my screen captures. Much better than using print screen. You get to choose exactly the region you want. You get to control the way that you copy the data, sizing, and all kinds of great things like that. So if you find yourself doing a lot of screenshots, I want to have you take a look at Snagit. Well, hey, all right, I want to thank you for stopping by. We'll see you next time for another netcast from Mr. Excel.